Alright guys, listen up. The true godfather of the tech industry, the brand that literally taught the world what professionalism means, the one that ruled Silicon Valley with an iron fist for decades, has just risen from the ashes. And let me tell you, this isn't just some regular, run-of-the-mill comeback. This time, they are packing a certified beast that already has Apple engineers sweating bullets and Samsung calling emergency boardroom meetings. Get ready, because this isn't just a smartphone, it feels like a gadget straight out of a time machine. Presenting, the BlackBerry Bold 5G. Fasten your seatbelts, because this storm is about to rock the tech world to its very core. Design and display. First things first, boss, just look at this aesthetic. Forget the old-school BlackBerry where you were click-clacking away on a physical keypad. BlackBerry has officially said goodbye to the keyboard forever to give you a display that looks like it just landed from the year 2050. We are talking about a massive 6.95-inch 4K micro-OLED panel. Man, the colors are so incredibly realistic, if you look at water on this screen, you'll feel like your hands are gonna get wet. And check out that back panel. That royal matte gold finish paired with a brushed metal texture. It gives off pure royalty vibes. That iconic, glowing BlackBerry logo right in the center and the premium branding below it prove this isn't a toy, it's a luxury piece of jewelry you carry in your pocket. With its ultra-slim profile and flat edges, the moment you pick it up, you get an ultimate grip and a next-level premium feel. Camera segment. Now let's move to the department that is already setting the internet on fire, this absolutely killer, unique horizontal triple camera setup. On the back, housed in a gorgeous, raised metallic module, sit three absolute powerhouse sensors lined up in a row. First, you have a mind-blowing 200-megapixel ultra-vision lens with a crazy f1.2 variable aperture. It could be 2 a.m. in pitch-black darkness, and this thing will snap a photo that looks like it's 12 noon. Second is the 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter that will literally capture the entire world in a single frame. And third, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. When you zoom in with this setup, you'll be able to see the crisp detail of a bird's eye on a mountain miles away. You can literally sell your $2,000 DSLR and lock it away, because this phone carries a whole Hollywood studio in your pocket. Oh, and for the selfie lovers, you get a stunning 50-megapixel AI front camera to keep your social media game flawless. Performance. Let's talk about the actual brain of this monster, its powerhouse performance. Heart and soul, this phone is driven by the most advanced, most powerful mobile processor on the planet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Boss, this processor wasn't just built, it was forged in pure architectural madness. It completely obliterates graphics and AI processing benchmarks. And to back it up, it's paired with a whopping 16 GB of super fast RAM. You heard that right, 16 gigs. Open 50 apps in the background while running heavy, high FPS gaming, and this phone won't even break a sweat. Plus, this is a supercharged, 5G-ready device. While the rest of the world is struggling with network lag, you'll be flying at the speed of data. The word lag literally doesn't exist in this phone's dictionary. Battery life. To run a massive beast like this, you need monster-class power. So, BlackBerry hooked it up with a gigantic 6600 mAh graphene battery. You know what graphene means, right? Zero overheating, zero risk, just pure, safe, uncompromised power. And it comes bundled with a blazing fast 120-watt hypercharger. Dude, in the time it takes you to finish a cup of coffee, this phone will go from 0 to 100%. Charge it once, and you won't even need to touch your charger for 3 whole days. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. How much cash are you gonna have to drop for this golden piece of tech? Well, hold on to your wallets. This ultimate flagship is expected to land right around the $1,000 price mark. Yeah, it's definitely not cheap, but the groundbreaking tech and the absolute royal status you're getting completely justifies the price tag. As for when you can get your hands on it, mark your calendars in bright red right now. This storm is set to hit the global tech market in the last week of December 2026. So, ladies and gentlemen, can BlackBerry actually reclaim its lost crown with this gorgeous, insanely powerful BlackBerry Bold 5G? Drop a comment below and give me your honest thoughts. Would you drop Apple or Samsung to make this absolute beast your next daily driver? Let me know.